Choosing the right trading broker for binary trading is one of the most important decisions you will make as a trader because it directly impacts your trading success and the safety of your funds. A good broker ensures fair trade execution, transparent policies, and secure transactions, while a bad one can lead to losses, delayed withdrawals, or even scams. The first thing to check is regulation. Always choose a broker regulated by recognized financial authorities, as this ensures they follow strict guidelines for protecting your money. Avoid unregulated brokers because they often manipulate prices, refuse withdrawals, and use unethical practices. Another important factor is the trading platform. It should be simple, fast, and reliable because a slow or complicated platform can cause missed opportunities. Also, look at available trading tools and features like charts, indicators, and demo accounts that help you practice before risking real money. Payment methods matter too. A good broker offers multiple deposit and withdrawal options with quick processing times and no hidden fees. Check for transparent terms and conditions because many brokers lock your funds with bonus restrictions or high withdrawal limits, which can cause problems later. Always read user reviews and feedback to know other traders' experiences, but stick to credible sources, not fake reviews on broker websites. Customer support is another critical point. A broker should offer 24/7 support through multiple channels like live chat, email, or phone to assist you when needed. You should also check the minimum deposit requirement. Start with brokers that allow low deposits if you are a beginner. Lastly, consider the range of assets offered. More assets mean more trading opportunities, which can help diversify your strategy. Choosing the right broker is not just about the features they provide. It is about trust, regulation, and transparency, so never rush this decision. Take your time, compare multiple brokers, and always test them with a demo or small deposit before going big. A safe and reliable broker gives you confidence and a fair trading environment, which is the foundation for long-term success in binary options trading.